Fuck the Pillsbury Doughboy, tempting us with his sweet treats and making people obese. And worse, bleaching the flour so it's white. Fuck the Pillsbury Doughboy. Fuck adults who are confused who their mom is, still breastfeeding from animals, and ignoring nature's way of saying off the cow teats, and fortifying or giving animals supplements like B12, calcium, and iron, when you could just have a plant-based recipe or make your own. So fuck adults who refuse to grow up and evolve. Perverted creeps. Fuck companies who sell poison and people who buy it and poison wildlife, spraying this crap on their lawns and then crying when they get cancer, when they've been killing off all types of species with this crap. Fuck you companies and consumers. Fuck white bread, removing the whole grains and bleaching the flour, making it unhealthy when whole wheat bread is perfectly healthy. Go to a farmer's market. Fuck this crap white bread. Fuck you and your mystery meats. Sick factory farm animal scraps. Fuck mystery meats. Fuck fake juice with only 5% real juice in it. Deceptive marketing labels like Ocean Spray. Meanwhile, the label police goes after plant-based recipes when nobody is confused what a veggie hot dog or not dog is. And there's no real dogs in the real hot dogs. So fuck the label police. This is what they should crack. Stop selling crap and calling it a diet. Fuck eating birds' breasts and calling it tender when there's nothing tender about sick factory farms. Fuck Starkist and animal mascots that look happy while they're selling their bodies that were suffocated slowly to death. Take the suffocation test. Hold your breath for just 2 minutes. Fuck Starkist selling fish in a can and making them look happy on the labels. Fuck you. Fuck cutting down little trees for your broccoli. At least they're organic. Fuck those scared of a plant-based recipe. Some are better than others based on the ingredients. Fuck those scared of a bean, insecure boys who still breastfeed from animals. Cow titty juice. Fuck Fruity Pebbles and Skittles. You can have nature's natural candy, fruit, organic fruit, not poison or pesticides. Don't pay for poison or feed your kids poison or poison wildlife in our water. Fuck Philadelphia cream cheese, ruining a good city's name with rape cream, force bred raped animals and stolen babies. Fuck naming your food after a good city. Fuck you, Laughing Cow and happy mascots. When most animals are factory farmed and you force breed and steal their babies, raping them, Baby Bell, when you could try a plant-based recipe. Not your mom, not your milk, perverted creeps and utter sucklers. More than just being lactose intolerant, be animal rape intolerant where they force breed or rape animals and steal the babies. Not your mom, not your milk, utter sucklers. Label police for plant-based recipes. You can't cry. It's called milk. What you should cry over is the spilled milk or animals' bodily fluids from forced bred raped animals that have their babies stolen so you can breastfeed from the moms. And worse, they're in unsustainable plastic containers rather than cartons. And then they make lactose free. Well, you're allergic because you're not a baby or a cow. Fuck false advertising. There's no dragons in this fruit. They're vegan. No dragons. Fuck freezing or boiling animals alive for a bite and then making them look like popcorn, shrimp. Shellfish is a sin. Fuck fish oil. Get it directly from the source. Algae or algae oil. Fuck fish oil. Fuck animal eaters and drinkers who claim that vegans are taking all the supplements when it's factory farmed animals that are fed most B12 supplements, calcium and iron in their diets, fortified. Fuck supplementing animals and claiming they get it naturally. Fuck factory farm birds bred to grow many times their natural size, making them suffer and even having broken bones. Fuck unnatural factory farm birds. They fuck over. Cluck them. Fuck Smucker's Uncrustables. Simple peanut butter and jelly is easy enough to make without 25 ingredients. Fuck Schmuckers. Use real fruit and nuts and whole wheat bread. Fuck cheapskates buying sick factory farmed animals to save a few pennies. And it costs the animals an arm and a leg. Yet they can afford an iPhone. Fuck cheapskates and animal abusers on factory farms. Fuck plastic cups and plates, single-use plastics, when you could just use paper. Why do you need a plate or cup to outlive you and turn into microplastics that you will probably, and your grandkids will probably drink, as well as all the sea life and wildlife? Also, not too many grandkids, because humans are overpopulated, destructive, invasive pests. Thanks. Plastic bags and trash bags.
Especially when you can get compostable ones.
Especially when you have compostable. Why make more trash with the bag to hold all your trash? Destructive humans. Fuck fruit. Nature's natural candy that's made unnatural with pesticides. Organic saves. It may not save you 10 cents, but it will save your life and wildlife, because the plants drink the poisoned water and are in the plants. You can't wash it off. And it also kills wildlife. So don't poison yourself and wildlife. Don't pay for poison. Organic. Fuck raid and killing insects. We are the real pests. Overpopulated, destructive people. Unfuck the world with deterrence. Fuck you companies stealing bee vomit or honey. They make millions of trips to collect it, and you just steal it. And it's for their winter food, not for you. Replacing it with sugar water and crap beekeepers. When bees are essential species. And then we poison them with pesticides if not organic. Stop stealing the bee vomit. Fuck you companies selling toxic chemicals that can kill insects as well as ourselves. Use deterrents. Stop being invasive pests. In just 50 years, human animals have doubled and killed off 69% of wildlife. Use deterrents. And use birth control for yourselves. Because we are the real pests. Birth control. Free birth control saves. Fuck glue traps that slowly dehydrate animals to death or insects. Be like you being in quicksand. Use deterrents and clean up. We are the invasive pests who've doubled in 50 years and killed off 69% of wildlife. Fuck glue traps. Even old-fashioned traps are better. Or catch and release traps and deterrents. Fuck toothpicks and greenwashing claiming to be earth-friendly when you're made of plastic, whether recycled or not. Needless plastic waste. Fuck greenwashing. Fuck you, Revlon, and your animal-tested makeup, putting lipstick on a pig and bunny rabbits and rodents. Fuck you, Revlon, testing your crap on animals. Leave them alone. Fuck you, makeup companies who test your crap on animals. Oh wait, I don't think they do. Good. If they don't clearly say it, assume they do. They probably put crap in bunny rabbits' eyes and torture animals and lab tests. Fuck you, insecure men or boys who think you're macho because you barbecue up animals that you bought from a store that were raised in sick factory farms. And you buy a device to cook their bodies up and drink their bodily fluids or coagulated bodily fluids for cheese. You're not macho, insecure boys. Leave animals alone, you invasive pest. Fuck you, companies and people spraying this crap on your lawns. Probably poisoning your dogs, kids, and migrating birds with your chemical lawns for suburban sprawl and deforestation when cities and public transit saves. Use deterrents, you invasive pests. People pests.